Hello, I am Saulius. I'm back again. Yeah, we know how I was boring. So yeah, I made a video because I'm so lazy. And we talked about what happened to Thomas as a player, and we beat this one called Crash to the Part 6 final, possibly to update, but never made it. And also we did 4 sinning. I'm gonna do sinning this. I'll have to do it. No way. Same thing, but nothing new. But unfortunately, let's go reviewing this game. Now let's go reviewing this game called The Lullaby Mgur. Mgur, he made by Carcross 2D, aka Mr. Destroyer. This game okay, but this is trash game. Why? It's super trash. The first one, Crash and Sucks. Yeah, it's super crashy card, but the game the love did not fix this game. What the fuck? And yeah, look at this. Just you can shoot the button. And also Sato states he poop. I would say yes. Are you kidding me? Just say no. No, 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 no. You cannot do that. Say yes. Okay? Car Crash 2D sucks. Why? The first reason, collect 3 stars, all trash. We never collect this one. This is trash game in history. Second one, this is the worst vehicle ever made. We know how awesome. And third one, we talk about Plotter gun. We ask, are you going to test this one? Yeah, this state's fucked up. And also state sucks too because we know how wasted my time. Yeah, I talk about how worst this state's level 21. This make me angry. I die times. It will be fun over. This game all trash. We did not want to play the game. You know why? I'm gonna be wearing 1 star. This game sucks because you hate you so much, so I never played this game right now. Trash game 0 out of 10, fuck you game, this is the worst game. So yeah, the game trash, we never play this again for my life. And also next time will be a game called Mr. Tutorial. We do soon later, maybe next time. Yeah, I'm going to play this one, yeah. So yeah, I say goodbye everyone, see you tomorrow, okay? So goodbye everyone, have a good night everyone. So yeah, I say talk to soon, okay? Goodbye everyone, see you tomorrow, okay? Have a good night everyone.